Alright, boys. So I haven't posted in 3 months. So, it just be like that sometimes. But I switched. A lot has happened, okay? I switched to keyboard and mouse. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, gaming-wise. But, boys, I'll just show you the progression. Or I'll show you.
Boring.
I'll try to get out. Just be like that, I guess. New skin combo that I'm using, and I've been using this for like a day now, I think. But I really like it. I'll do a sense and everything at the end of this. I'll go over everything, but I'm probably only gonna make like a couple little cuts and such. And this is also gonna be posted at like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, so whatever. Anyway, yeah. So, all right. So, I used to be able to, like when I'd go up, I'd do 90s. I think I did it like this, right? And then I'd double up, whatever, and then that. Okay, that's not even hard, right? But now I have different starts for pretty much everything. I mean, I do 90s, like, I'll go 1-1, like that, and then go up, double edit, like, I'll do like this if I'm going to the right, which I almost never do, so I'll go like this. With this, that way I can like block over whatever I'm doing, right? And then, or I'll go and I'm a little bit stuffed up, by the way. I'm still over a cold, well, getting over it, but I'll go 1-1 out and then turn like this, right? And then when I go up, I'll just go 90 once real quick, ease. And then if they're like up because they realized, hey, this is what he's doing, I'll go and I'll jump and I'll double up like this, right? Just double edit it, whatever you're doing, and then be an epic gamer and crank those 90s. Or if you're not dog at the video game like me, okay, and you're not recording with OBS at 2:30 in the morning, then like if the person's good, right, just try to think about like do different 90s every time. Right, that should be like your first should be just normal doubles, like when you're going up, just right. I'm cutting that out. I'm done. Sorry guys, I'm too cracked, so I had to cut that out. But you go up like very, very, very first thing, right, and then. I mean, you can do like this if you really want to. It doesn't really matter, but you can do whatever, I guess. Like, for the first one, just to kind of gauge how good they are. Because you don't want to use your tricks. If you're going best of 3, like first out of 3 rounds, then just the next one you'll go. You know what I mean? Like, whatever. But then if you're going 3... like 3 actual, like 3 rounds. If you win all of them, what I'm saying, then you'll just go. Like that, just go 3. And if you're like a goated gamer, you can go like this. Well, I wouldn't do that. I'd go. I should do like this, and then if you can, but I mean, you really don't have to. And then you would do like what I showed you before. Alright, so I'm ending this here. I'll show you my keybinds now. And I might throw in a few clips in another video of me being ass at the video game. Yeah, that's like the new grip, by the way. Because like I'm trying it because, I don't know, like... Alright, anyway, yeah, I'm dog. Okay, keybinds. Oh, this should be on Epic. Okay, whatever.